Seating arrangement. Seating arrangement is the one of the supporting factor in achieving success in learning. The arrangement of the classroom environment, the right one, affect the level of student involvement and participation in learning process. This is influenced by the number of students in one class. Not too many students will make it easier for students to arrange tables and chairs so that whenever students sit, they stay and pay attention to the teacher when teaching. It is different. The class is so crowded and there are many students. Usually, the student who sit in the back and the corner will have a hard time looking at the teacher because it was closed by other students. And students need too much space to see the teacher. They need something, they can easily find it. For example, when students need an eraser, they don't need to be confused to look for it because they have no space to put the eraser on the table. Student seating formation also need to be changed. Change seating formation need to be done so that students do not get bored in class. Students need to get to know their friends more closely in one class so that they are not bored studying. It consists of various types, advantage and disadvantage of each type of arrangement or seating arrangement. A. Letter U. Advantage: teacher can reach all students that learning can be maximized. Disadvantage: this condition is used for class who assume not too many students. Team pattern. Advantage: allow teacher to interact with each team and also can discuss learning problem with student one group and can maximize learning activities well. Disadvantage: class conditions are usually crowded and the material subjects cannot be submitted directly maximum in such as condition. Circle. Advantage: the system can solve the problem grouped together with students which are many in number. Can make easy problems that are considered heavy or difficult. Disadvantage: less effective learning in acceptance and assignment because students generally prepare to play. Convenience table. Make it easy for problems that are considered heavy or difficult because it is discussed together. Disadvantage: can reduce the important role of student. Traditional. The advantage: student can be reached by side teacher. The class look tired, orderly and neat, and the teacher can supervise from the front. Disadvantage: teacher usually pay less attention to students who are behind. Students who sit in the back can accept maximum lesson.
Class structuring principle. Here are 4 basic principles that can be applied to organize the class set forth in the book John W. Sandrock. Firstly, reduce congestion in traffic areas. Disturbance can occur in frequently traveled areas. These areas include group study areas, student benches, teacher desk and location pencil storage, bookshelves, computer, and other locations. Next, make sure that you can easily see all the students. An important management task is to monitor students carefully. For that, you must be able to see all the students. Make sure there is a clear visibility from the teacher desk, location instructional, student desk, and all students. Do not let something is not visible. Next is teaching materials and student equipment should be easy to access. This will minimize preparation time and fireplace and reduce activity likes and distractions. The last one, make sure students can easily see all presentation in class. Decide where you and your students will be during class presentations. For this activity, students are not allowed to move chairs or stick his neck to find out how well students can look from where they are, sit in their chairs.